Bob and DJ here, and today we're going to show you how to properly care for your boat after every use.
First step for caring for the exterior of your boat is washing your boat. You're going to want to use a high quality boat wash like 303.
The reason we say to use a high quality boat wash is because it contains UV protectant, and that's good for any gel coat, fiberglass, or paint that may be on the exterior of your boat. It's also great for vinyl decals to keep them from fading and cracking.
Now that the boat is clean, after washing it, you want to protect it with a wax or sealant.
If your boat's still in the water or you don't have access to a hose, we recommend using our Quick Wax. This is a fast and effective way to protect the exterior of your boat.
If you have access to a hose like we do today, by far the easiest product to use is our touchless sealant. It'll keep your boat protected for up to 6 months. While the surface is still wet, simply mist the product on, rinse it off, and dry.
So now we're done protecting the exterior of the boat, we're moving on to the interior. We have two choices, our mold and mildew cleaner and blocker and our multi-surface cleaner.
Our mold and mildew cleaner and blocker is bleach free and will safely clean and prevent any future mold and mildew stains.
Our multi-surface cleaner is marine safe and is a gentle but effective cleaner on all your interior surfaces.
Now that the interior boat's clean, the next step is protecting it.
For protecting any vinyl, rubber, plastic, or fiberglass, we recommend using our 303 Aerospace Protectant.
This product is easy to use. Simply spray it on and wipe off any excess residue.
If you have a bimini top or any other fabric surface on your boat, a great product to use is our 303 Fabric Guard.
When using Fabric Guard, you want to make sure the surface is clean and dry. Then, in a well-ventilated area, spray it in a crosshatch pattern, ensuring full coverage.
303 Fabric Guard is going to restore any lost water repellency on any of your outdoor fabrics.
It creates a powerful shield against water and oil-based stains. For protecting any metal surfaces from corrosion, use our 303 Corrosion Coat. It provides long-lasting protection in harsh environments and it dries clear.
If your boat's out of the water and on a trailer such as this one, Corrosion Coat's great to use on trailers, boat props, and any other metal surfaces.
It even works on battery terminals.
Another important step for routine maintenance of your boat is adding Stable 360 Marine to your fuel. This is going to ensure that the fuel system's clean and all the water's removed to keep the system corrosion-free.
Stable 360 Marine also keeps your fuel fresh for up to a year. Alright, that's it. We want to thank our friend Rich for letting us use his boat for the video.
The boat's cleaned, protected, and ready to hit the water once again.